An increasing number of companies are using gamification to transform user experience. Gamification utilizes rewards to change users' behavior, and it has science-proven benefits for your customers. The research found that gamification helps users stay focused, increases engagement, and enhances learning. However, many user researchers found gamification to be the most addictive method in user experience design, and many companies have used this approach to retain customers with unethical techniques. Here are 5 tips for using gamification with ethics in mind. First, pair behavior triggers with real-life meanings. In plain English, a product becomes unethical when users become obsessed with virtual items or rewards that don't do good to them in real life. Second, do not assume good intent is enough. People will find a way to abuse your app no matter what kind of good intent you have. For example, an app developer may encourage users to work out more by adding a scoreboard in the fitness app. Still, some people are obsessed with rankings, so they would come up with all sorts of weird ways to be on the top of it. I hope this tip was helpful. Don't forget to visit our website at void.com. This is San. You're watching UX Tips at Void. See you in the next video.